Every year, there are over 30,000 driver's license suspensions in the state of Utah. All of these suspensions are a result of an individual's failure to pay a fine or fee or failure to appear in court. Suspending a person's driver's license for not paying or appearing in court has been a common practice nationwide, but it doesn't make sense, and some states have begun to end this practice. If a person is struggling to pay a fine or make it to their court date, taking away their access to reliable transportation will only hurt them further, lessening their ability to comply with court orders or maintain stable employment. Take the case of Lindsay, a Salt Lake woman who lost her driver's license because of her inability to pay $1,200 in fines related to former drug convictions from over 3 years ago. She served her time and has been sober for over 2 years now. She's trying her best as a full-time student at Salt Lake Community College, but Lindsay still struggles in commuting to school every day, and her employment options are limited due to her lack of license. In order to pay off her fines, she needs a steady job, which is difficult to maintain without being able to legally drive her car. Lindsay's story exemplifies the problem that many Utahns face when their driver's license is suspended for court debt. When a person is financially struggling, taking away their license only makes things worse. But you may be asking, why are we seeking to address issues involving failure to appear? This is because prior to an actual conviction, people should not be harshly penalized in a way that often exceeds the actual punishment of the underlying crime itself. The courts will already issue a warrant to compel them to appear, but suspending a person's driver's license on top of that is unnecessary in most cases. Utah needs to stop the harmful practice of suspending driver's licenses for unpaid court debt or failure to appear in court for offenses that don't affect the safety of the roads. Only when this practice ends can thousands of Utahns get back up on their feet so they can work to pay off their debts quicker after they're cited with expensive fines. When a person is charged with a crime and they don't have the ability to pay, Utah should not automatically punish them by revoking their driver's license. Instead, we should be encouraging them to make things right by allowing them to maintain access to the tools they need to do so. For Libertas Institute, I'm Molly Davis.